Hello guys, I'm playing Doors. This is a very good game. I've never played this game. I have played this game before. It's a very good game. I love it. It's hard, it's tough. You know the drill. Alright, so we gotta... Where's the other... Oh, alright, are you ready? Yeah. Alright, let's go. The other person hasn't joined, I know, yeah. This random noob guy is here with me. And still that person hasn't joined, so that's it. Let's just go. Go for it. Let's get the key. Let's get that. How'd you already get the key? Wow, he's quick. He's good at this game. Even though I'm terrible at this game. I've made it to where the figure is, but I haven't made it from then on. It's tough. Yeah. Alright, I'm just checking those. Let's go down here, like we always do. Like and subscribe if you want to watch more of these Doors videos. They're very good. Alright, so we gotta flick the lever. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh wait, it's not that way. It is... I think I'm lost. Oh, frick. Oh god, no. Oh, come on. I always thought there was like a weird thing. I keep forgetting how to do it. It's tough. Alright, let's go. Ooh, I hear some creepy noises. Howie, and I died. You died to the eyes again. Yes, I always die to the eyes. It's one of the hardest ones. Alright. Come on. Alright, let's go to another game. I think I might have better luck this time. Alright, let's do it. Everything is dark. Why is everything dark? Can't see. I'm just gonna join this random... Oh, there we go. Lights are back on. These guys look like they're good at this game. They look like they know how to play. Alright, let's do it. Okay. No. Let's go! Guys, come on. What are you waiting for? Guys, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh my god, is that your friend? Come on. I'm gonna leave without you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Yeah, goodbye. Checking out these. Nothing. Alright, goodbye. Nothing. Let's go. I have to do this all by my own. Alright, this is tough. Gotta find the key. Is the key in here? No. Alright, let's go. It's probably in one of these. Yeah, can't get the bottom one. There we go. Those guys are just laying. They're not helping at all. This is their choice. Ah! Oof, that was close. Already. Come on, fam! Come on! They're coming, but they're just too slow. Let's go! Woo! Woo! That was a close one. I can remember. Lights will turn on, right? Oh, yep. Come on, fan. I'll go in here. Check out this place, nothing there. Alright. Where is the key? This is a tough one. Could be back here. Nope. How? Where is the key? How? You got it? You got it, man? Or you got it? You got it. Come on. I got it. Come on, fam. Let's go. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna die now. Yep. You died to halt again. Oh, I had to... As you run, it may appear in front of you at any time. Oh. I was just dumb. When it does, turn around and keep running. This will will repeat multiple times. Oh, come on. Let's go. That was a tough one. I got far, I gotta say, I got far. And it's dark again. Let's just go over here and join, say, this. Anyone want to join me? No one? Yay! 2 people. Anyone else? Anyone? Get over here. I'm gonna scare this guy. He left 2? LCLC, he's a fake LCLC. There's 3, there's 1 spot left, and yay! He's back. Me. I bet doors once. Tough. Alright, let's do this. Flashlight. I don't have enough. What? Alright, let's go. Confirm. I need a This thing is in my face. There we go. Alright, guys, let's go. Go. Come on. I don't think anyone has one. No. Oh. Hey, come on. Okay. Got the lever. We got the lever. We got the lever. Guys, here's the lever. Yay! Oh no. Down here, down here. Sit. Click that. Oh. Should be free to go. Oh. Come on, where's the other guy? Oh, he's way over there? Holy. Right? Close one. Let's go. I'll have to end the video soon, guys, so yeah. Guys, like and subscribe. It does help me out a ton.